Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you. I've got a couple of orders for some grilled chicken wings. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stuff 50 whole wings on a 22-inch Weber Kettle. Now we're gonna use the Vortex. I'm gonna show you how I lay them out, and I'll show you the prep. So stick around. This is gonna be a good one. Hang tight. Okay, well, let's prep these chicken wings. Now, you see, I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn these into party wings. Now you can buy party wings, but I don't know, this seems to be better chicken. The pieces are bigger, and if you've never done this, find the joint on both sides, and if you'll just run right down the joint, they just separate like that. Let me get these cut, because you don't want to sit here and watch me cut about 50 wings. So I'll bring you back. Okay, let's season them up. And of course, you know, we're gonna use Uncle Steve's shake. I always use bird shake on my chicken. It's just one of those things. Also, I'm gonna add a little baking powder. Now, in a previous video, we found out that if we would sprinkle a little baking powder on this chicken skin, that it would help crisp it up in the smoker and on the grill. So, we're gonna put a little bit of baking powder on the flats and on the drumettes, and this is gonna be some good stuff. I'm telling you what I know. All right, and for the Uncle Steve's, the bird shake, we're gonna put a nice little liberal coat on these wings. We want to get every bit of that flavor down in there. Okay, all right, there's that side coated up good. Now let's let this hang out for just a little bit. After we do that, what we will do is take them out, get them on the grill, and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we have got our grill up to temp. The next job is, let's see how much of this chicken we can actually get on this grill. All right, well, 50 wings. There it is. All right, so we're gonna put the top on. And we'll start our cook. There it is.
One eternity later.
Okay, Well, let's start. I tell you, let's get one of these pans, and every one of these that tempts out, I'm gonna take out. Some of them will, some of them won't. That one did. That one did. And that's a way when you got all this chicken. That one didn't. That one did. That one did. That one's not even close. So as these cooked, they cooked from top down. So what I had up on top, when I had more than one level, cooked first, of course. Okay, well, and that's probably what was on top. I had them stacked up some. So let's cover them back up and we'll keep going. Okay, well, let's check them and see how we're doing. The remainder of these should be, oh yeah. And I'm just randomly gonna check. Oh yeah, 170s, 177. All right, so all the way around, flats and drumettes. All right, about 170 degrees. That one. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's take them off. Let me get them all off, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do with these wings. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these wings. I'm not gonna tell you what's in my hot wing concoction because that's a secret. If people pay for these wings, and they might not pay for them if they could just do them themselves. So I'm not gonna tell you what's in this. This enough, suffice it to say, this is my hot wing sauce. I'm just gonna stir them up in it. Now all these I'm not gonna do hot, of course. You know how that is. Everybody can't eat spicy. And this really is not that hot. This is, you could offer this to anybody out in the public and it wouldn't burn them up because it's not scorching hot. But I like it, and apparently a lot of other people like it too, as you can see from this cook. This was 2 different orders, so and hey, it's good stuff. Good stuff. All right, let me get the rest of these hot wings sauced up, and I'll bring you back. Well, here we are. Here's our hot wings. Simple. A Weber Kettle slap full of wing. Oh my goodness. Let's try it. That's it. That's it. Too easy. Thanks for hanging around. I appreciate it. If you'd hit the circle over here on this side, subscribe. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.